Our world is teeming with life, from the smallest microorganisms to the largest mammals. But there's a hidden kingdom within this tapestry of life, a world of creatures that live at the expense of others, parasites. These fascinating and often unsettling organisms have evolved to thrive by exploiting other living beings known as hosts. Parasites come in a vast array of shapes and sizes, each with its own unique way of life and survival strategies. Some are microscopic, barely visible to the naked eye, while others can grow to astonishing lengths. Despite their often negative reputation, parasites play a crucial role in maintaining the delicate balance of ecosystems. In this exploration of the unseen invaders, we'll delve into the fascinating world of parasites, uncovering their diverse forms, their complex relationships with their hosts, and their impact on the natural world. From the microscopic protozoa that cause malaria to the parasitic worms that plague millions worldwide, we'll uncover the secrets of these cunning survivors. Join us as we embark on a journey into the realm of parasites, where the lines between friend and foe blur and the survival of the fittest takes on a whole new meaning. Protozoa, a diverse group of single-celled eukaryotic organisms, include a fascinating array of parasitic species. These microscopic invaders, often invisible to the naked eye, have evolved ingenious strategies to infect their hosts and exploit their resources for survival and reproduction. One of the most notorious protozoan parasites is Plasmodium, the causative agent of malaria. This deadly parasite, transmitted through the bite of infected mosquitoes, infects red blood cells, leading to debilitating symptoms such as fever, chills, and anemia. Malaria remains a major global health concern, particularly in tropical and subtropical regions. Another significant group of protozoan parasites is the amoebas, particularly Entamoeba histolytica. This intestinal parasite, responsible for amoebic dysentery, spreads through contaminated food and water. Infection can cause severe diarrhea, abdominal pain, and in severe cases, liver abscesses. Cryptosporidium, another protozoan parasite, causes cryptosporidiosis, an intestinal illness characterized by watery diarrhea, stomach cramps, and fever. This parasite is highly resistant to chlorine disinfection, making it a concern in swimming pools and water supplies. Giardia lamblia, another common protozoan parasite, causes giardiasis, also known as beaver fever. This intestinal infection, spread through contaminated water, can cause symptoms such as diarrhea, gas, bloating, and fatigue. Protozoan parasites, despite their microscopic size, pose significant health challenges worldwide. Understanding their life cycles, transmission routes, and the diseases they cause is crucial for developing effective control and prevention strategies. Helminths, a diverse group of parasitic worms, include some of the most common and widespread parasites affecting humans and animals. These multicellular organisms, often visible to the naked eye, have evolved complex life cycles and sophisticated strategies to infect their hosts and thrive within their bodies. One major group of helminths is the flatworms, which include tapeworms, cestodes, and flukes, trematodes. Tapeworms, characterized by their long ribbon-like bodies, live in the intestines of their hosts, absorbing nutrients from digested food. Flukes, on the other hand, infect various organs, including the liver, lungs, and blood vessels. Roundworms, nematodes, constitute another major group of helminths. These cylindrical worms, often found in soil and water, can infect humans and animals through ingestion of contaminated food or water, or by burrowing through the skin. Hookworms, a type of roundworm, attach to the lining of the small intestine, causing blood loss and anemia. Ascaris lumbricoides, another common roundworm, infects the intestines, leading to malnutrition and growth impairment. Thorny-headed worms, acanthocephalans, are less common but equally fascinating helminths. These worms, characterized by their spiny heads, infect a wide range of animals, including insects, fish, birds, and mammals. They attach to the intestinal wall of their hosts, absorbing nutrients and causing tissue damage. Helminth infections, while often preventable, continue to pose significant health challenges, particularly in developing countries with limited access to clean water and sanitation. Understanding their life cycles, transmission routes, and the diseases they cause is crucial for implementing effective control measures. Ectoparasites are parasitic organisms that live on the outside of their hosts. These include well-known pests like fleas, ticks, and lice. Ectoparasites are often vectors of disease, transmitting pathogens as they feed on the blood or tissues of their hosts. Fleas, for example, are notorious for spreading the plague, while ticks are known carriers of Lyme disease. Lice infestations can lead to intense itching and discomfort, as well as secondary infections from scratching. Understanding the biology and behavior of ectoparasites is essential for managing and preventing infestations, as well as controlling the spread of the diseases they carry. From the smallest mite to the largest tick, these external parasites play a significant role in the health and well-being of their hosts. By studying their life cycles and interactions with their hosts, we can develop better strategies to combat these persistent and often troublesome invaders. Now let's dive into the fascinating world of endoparasites. These are parasites that live inside the host body, often within the intestines, blood, or tissues. They can cause a variety of health issues, but their life cycles and adaptations are truly remarkable. From tapeworms to protozoa, endoparasites have developed unique strategies to survive and thrive within their hosts. So join us as we explore the hidden world of these internal invaders. Parasites embark on a complex journey to find and infect their hosts. They have evolved intricate methods to ensure their survival and reproduction. From entering the host body to navigating its internal environment, each step is critical. Some parasites even manipulate their host behavior to enhance their own chances of transmission. It's a fascinating and, well, somewhat eerie process. The impact of parasitic infections can vary widely. Some may cause mild, almost unnoticeable symptoms, while others can lead to severe, life-threatening conditions. The severity often depends on factors like the type of parasite, the host's health, and the duration of the infection. Understanding this spectrum is crucial for effective diagnosis and treatment. Diagnosing parasitic infections often requires a combination of clinical symptoms, laboratory tests, and sometimes imaging studies. Treatment options can range from medications to more intensive interventions, depending on the parasite involved. Prevention, however, remains the best strategy. This includes measures like proper sanitation, safe food and water practices, and in some cases, vaccines. Ongoing research in parasitology is uncovering new insights into how these organisms live and interact with their hosts. Scientists are developing innovative treatments and exploring potential vaccines. The future of parasitology holds promise for better control and perhaps even eradication of some parasitic diseases. As we continue to learn, we get closer to a world where the impact of parasites is significantly reduced.